Okay, I printed a few pages for you. I printed a few pages with text. And one of these pages will have a secret message. Let's try. By the way, this cake, Medovic, is delicious. Check the link in the description. Okay, so I will use the highlighter. This is the invisible highlighter now, and I will use to highlight letters on the page to build a message. So I will say something like, hello there, how are you? Let's try. Okay, so how I do it, start, okay, just to test it. So I'll find the first H and start writing the message, hello there, how are you? Maybe it's a bit too long. Going further down to the text, maybe only hello. Hey, and I need L. Hope there is an L somewhere. L here. Hello. T. D. E. Maybe I missed some letters. R. E. Hello there. See. I think I made a mistake. How? Let's check it. So we have hey, okay, start from the beginning. You can only see the wet spot, but otherwise you can't see it. So he, L, I could make a big line here. L, L, O. The H, E, and I will put the question mark at the end. I will let it dry and come back. getting it dry under the lights. Okay, so this text here, maybe just you can see a little bit of smudge here, but otherwise there is nothing there. Or is it? Let's check. Bringing the light. Okay. Now let's read the message. So you have H E you also have this one. Where is the L? There is the L. L is there, and you get to construct the message letter by letter like this. So one is here. So we have it's on the top H E L L L T H R E. I think this was from before. The R, and then how O is here. How are you? And the question mark.